Need money fast? Earn online now. I'll show realistic methods for beginners. No scams or get-rich tricks here. Legit ways to earn from zero. Let's jump right in. Freelancing is the fastest way to earn. Offer writing, video editing services. Also try graphic design, social media. Get paid per task, sometimes within days. Clients want results, not just degrees. Fast Chill Plus delivery. Eepers fast money. No website? Sell on social media. Post on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, X. Tell people what you do and who you help. Explain how to contact you easily. Beginners get clients this way quickly. Affiliate marketing can bring fast wins. Promote tools, courses, digital products. Use short videos, simple landing pages. Clear calls to action are essential. Earn commissions without creating products. Need money now? Start with microtasks. Try virtual assistant or online tutoring. Do data entry. Simple remote jobs. These pay fast, but won't make you rich. Turn knowledge into digital products. Create templates, checklists, guides. Create once, sell repeatedly for income. Fast income turns into long-term income. Warning: avoid guaranteed, zero-effort scams. Real ways need action, consistency. Now you know the smart way to earn. Like the video if this helped you. Subscribe for more money tips. Comment "Faced" for a step-by-step plan. See you in the next video.